Good morning, students. I welcome you to the class of paper 9th C, that is Indian Classics in Translation. And today we are going to know about ancient Indian Sanskrit poet Kalidas and his life. Students, Kalidas, who is honored as one of the greatest poets of the world and is described as the Shakespeare of India, belonged to the Gupta period of Indian history. An inscription discovered most recently in the year 1964 establishes his birth in Ujjaini and shows him as a contemporary of King Vikramaditya, who was obviously Chandragupta Vikramaditya. Tradition has led the people to believe that Kalidas was one of the nine gems of or Navaratna of the court of King Vikramaditya of Ujjaini. Historians have accepted him as one of the greatest Sanskrit poets and dramatists. Kalidas, also known as Mahakavi Kalidas, perfected the Kavya style and the art of poetry in Sanskrit. Human sentiments presented in ornamental style made his poetic work superb. The most famous dramas of Kalidas were Malvika Agnimitra and Shakuntala. In the first one, that is in Malvika Agnimitra, he deals with the theme of love between Prince Agnimitra and Princess Malvika. Malvika Agnimitra, if we translate the title into English, it could go such as pertaining to Malvika and Agnimitra tells the story of King Agnimitra who falls in love with the picture of an exiled servant girl named Malvika. When the queen discovers her husband's passion for this girl, she becomes infuriated and has Malvika imprisoned. But as fate would have it, Malvika is in fact a true born princess and thus legitimizing the affair. And students, Abhigyan Shakuntalam of the recognition of Shakuntala tells the story of King Dushyant, who, while on a hunting trip, meets Shakuntala, the adopted daughter of the sage Kanu and the real daughter of Vishwamitra and Menka, and marries her. A mishap befalls them when he is summoned back to court. Shakuntala, pregnant with their child, inadvertently offends a visiting saint Durvasa and incurs a curse, whereby Dushyant forgets her entirely until he sees the ring he had left with her. On her trip to Dushyant's court in an advanced state of pregnancy, Shakuntala loses the ring and has to come away unrecognized by Dushyant. The ring is found by a fisherman who recognizes the royal seal and returns it to Dushyant, who regains his memory of Shakuntala and sets out to find her. Gothe was fascinated by Kalidas's Abhigyan Shakuntalam, which became known in Europe after being translated from English to German. It is said that when Sir William Jones translated Shakuntala of Kalidas into English and published it in the year 1789, it created a sensation among the Europeans that such a wonderful drama could have been written in ancient times, describing human emotions and feelings in such a superb way. The work was translated to German, French, Danish, Italian, and other languages. The celebrated German poet Goethe was so powerfully impressed by this magnificent work that he regarded it as the greatest drama ever written in any literature. Among the great works of Kalidas, the most famous are the Ritusamhar, or the cycle of the season, Meghdut, or the cloud messenger, Kumar Sambhavam, or the birth of Kumar, and Raghuvamsa, or the race of Raghu. The cycle of season, that is Ritu Samhar, is a wonderful description of nature and its rhymes and in relation to human moods and sentiments. The cloud messenger, that is there in our syllabus as well, students, Meghdut, describes the emotion of an exiled Yaksh from heaven who sends his message to his wife through a passing cloud. Kumar Sambhav describes the wedding of Shiva and Parvati and the birth of the god of war for destruction, Kartikeya. Raghuvamsa, which is which is an epic, describes of Ram's ancestor, of Ram himself, and of Ram's successors in Ayodhya. Students, extravagant beauty of style, the poetic emotion in description, the close observations of nature and life, the majestic appeal to human mind, and the serenity of the themes rendered the works of Kalidas immortal. Kalidas's contribution made the word literature richer. Students, Kalidas's work continued to evoke inspiration among the artistic circles of Europe during the late 19th century and early 20th century. Kudityatam, artist and Natya Shastra scholar Mani Madhav Chakyar choreographed and performed popular Kalidas plays including Abhigyan Shakuntalam, Vikramorvashiya and Malvikagnimitra. Mohan Rakesh's play in Hindi, Ashad Ka Ek Din, tries to capture the conflict between the ethereal beauty repeatedly portrayed in Kalidas's works and the harsh realities of his time. The Kannada films, namely Mahakavi Kalidasa, featuring Hunappa Bhagavatar, B. Saroja Devi, and later Kaviratna Kalidas, featuring Rajkumar, were made. V. Shantaram made his Hindi movie Stree based on Kalidas's Shakuntala. P. R. Chandran made the Tamil movie Mahakavi Kalidas based on Kalidas's life. Chevalier Nadigar Thalaigam Shivaji Ganeshan played the part of the poet himself. Students, the Western world came to regard some of the works of Mahakavi Kalidas as so excellent in philosophy and feeling that they could not find their parallel in other great languages. In Meghdut or The Cloud Messenger, Kalidas described the separation of a lover from his beloved and asked a floating cloud to travel far to carry and pass over his message of love. Students, Dr. Vishnupada Bhattacharya, his book Kalidas or Rabindranath is a comparative study of Kalidas and the Bengali poet Rabindranath Tagore. Mahakavi Kalidasu, featuring Akkinai Nageswara Rao, were based on the Kalidas's legendary life and work. Students, this presentation of mine is based on resources taken from internet and books, and especially I would like to mention an article published in Times of India, Indian Express. I am indebted to that article. Thank you very much. This much for today.